Deep in the lush forests of Central Africa lives one of the most intelligent birds on Earth.
A creature famed for its beauty, intelligence, and unmatched ability to mimic the human voice. African greys can learn hundreds of words, voices, and even understand complex meanings.
Scientists consider them among the smartest of all birds, with problem-solving skills equal to a young child.
They are native to the Congo Basin, thriving in dense forests and savannas.
In the wild, they fly in flocks, communicating constantly with whistles, clicks, and alarm calls.
Their powerful beaks help them crack nuts and forage for fruits, seeds, and rich forest foods. African greys form strong family bonds, caring for their chicks for months.
Their ability to mimic people led to centuries of fascination, and unfortunately, demand in the pet trade.
Today they face threats from habitat loss and illegal trafficking, pushing wild populations into decline.
But conservation efforts and stronger protections are giving these birds a chance to recover.
Their intelligence reminds us how extraordinary the natural world truly is.
The African grey is more than a pet. It is a marvel of nature.